Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Business Process Integration, BIT4153. Okay, so today we will going to continue with our class with topic number 9, the warehouse management stock transfer. Okay, so we will explore about the structure and the stock movement in detail. The warehouse management will connect closely with inventory management process. So by understanding the integration will help you with the business manage stock more efficiently. And the warehouse management will provide deeply control compared to the inventory management. So we will discuss about the objective and the integration with other module. Okay, so explaining the warehouse management structure. So the warehouse number represent the highest organizational level in warehouse, okay? Divided into storage types like the high rack or cold storage. The storage will type further divided into smaller storage section. And each section contain multiple storage bin for materials. And the warehouse management will provide detailed control of stock placement. The storage bin. Storage bin is the smallest unit of warehouse space. Okay, it represents exact physical location of materials stored inside. Coordinates include the aisles, the stack, and level for identification. Each bin tracks the specific quantity of material. The quants ensure accurate monitoring of stock bins. Okay, so storage bin the storage bin provide precise visibility of material location. Inventory management, IM versus the warehouse management. So the inventory management tracks stock of plants and storage location. It focuses mainly on how much stock exists. So the warehouse management tracks stock at detail bin level. It focuses on where stock is physically located. The inventory management will provide overall quantity and valuation information, while the warehouse management provide operational control for movement and placement. Warehouse management usage. So the warehouse management optimize a space utilization using put-away strategy. It speed up picking for production or customer sales. Support handling of tracking of hazardous materials safely. Enable cross-docking to move goods directly to shipping, and also improve efficiency by reducing unnecessary stock movement. SAP S/4HANA with the EWM, WM, and IM. Okay, so inventory management track a basic stock quantity volume. The warehouse management will provide traditional warehouse control function. Extended warehouse management offer advanced automation features. The EWM, the extended warehouse management include labor management and complex in logistic support. So in S/4HANA, we favor the extended warehouse management for high volume complex logistic. The IM, the inventory management, useful for simple stock tracking requirement. What is the key difference between the warehouse management and extended warehouse management? So the EWM supports multi-level deconsolidation for incoming goods. EWM also features slotting, automatic optimization of bin replacement. EWM also offer value-added service like kitting and labeling, and also integrate deeply with transportation management process. The WM provides a basic warehouse control without advanced automation. The stock transfer order, STO. So the stock transfer order move stock between two plants. The document looks similar to purchase order in system, allows the tracking of goods while in transit. Okay, it can include shipping costs and delivery document and provide visibility of stock movement across company plans. Type of stock transfer. So one step transfer move stock instantly without transit time. The two-step transfer remove the stock when and then receive at destination. So the plant to plant transfer change the valuation and financial posting. Storage to storage transfer move stock within the same plant. Each transfer type suits different business requirement and proper selection and ensure accurate tracking and accounting. Okay, processing a stock transfer order. Step 1, we need to create the stock transfer order request to move stock. Step 2, outbound delivery picking and picking sources. Step 3, goods issue stock leave the source plant. Step 4, good receipt stock arrive destination plant. So you can see here each steps ensure proper documentation and tracking, and the process provides visibility across supply chain movement. Integration between the stock STO, the stock transfer order, and the finance. Okay, different company codes will generate invoice for transfer. Same company code move only stock value internally. Use standard price or moving average price to ensure the balance sheet reflect correct assets location. Financial integration will maintain accurate company records. The stock transfer order link logistic with financial accounting process. Okay, next we have the warehouse movement, the transfer requirement TR. Okay, the transfer requirement requires movement of material internally generated automatically by goods receipt or the STO. Act as a planning documents for warehouse movement and does not change a physical location data immediately. Okay, and also provide visibility of upcoming warehouse tasks and help the warehouse manager plan resource efficiently. Warehouse movement with the transfer order TO. Okay, so the transfer order is central document for warehouse execution. Instructor worker pick from source bin and destination. Contain details of source bin and destination bin. Guide warehouse staff to move material correctly. Confirmation of transfer order. Complete physical movement. Ensure system update each match actual warehouse activities. Put away strategy. Fixed bin strategy, store material always same location. Open storage strategy, use large area without specific bins. Additional strategy, add material to existing bin stock. Empty bin strategy, find nearest available empty space. The strategy, optimize a warehouse space and improve efficiency, and the system decide which the best location based on chosen strategy. Picking strategies. We have the FIFO, the first in first out strategy. This one will pick the oldest stock first for usage. LIFO, last in first out strategy, will pick the newest stock first for usage. SLED, SLED, is the shelf life expiration date. This strategy to pick stock based on expiry date. Partial quantity strategy. This is to pick the bins with smallest amounts. So strategies will ensure correct material selection during picking. Picking accuracy improve customer satisfaction and production flow. Physical inventory in WM. Okay, so physical inventory, compare the system stock with actual warehouse. Bin are blocked during counting to prevent movement. Differences recorded and cleared in warehouse and inventory. Ensure accuracy of warehouse financial record consistently. Process maintain trust in company's reporting system. A physical inventory is important for compliance and auditing. Integration between the warehouse management and the production. So the warehouse stage material for production flow requirement. Raw material move to production supply area efficiently. Interface will connect production planning and warehouse management. Ensure machine never runs out of required material. Integration support continuous production without interruption and provide visibility of material flow into production line. Integration between the WM and sales. Sales order trigger outbound deliveries in warehouse system. Warehouse create picking tasks to fulfill customer delivery. Packing and loading recorded within the warehouse management system. Final goods issues update customer order status immediately. So the integration ensures smooth flow from sales to logistic. Review topic number 9, the important key terms. So we have a storage bin represents the physical address of stored item. Quant is specific quantity of batch in bins. STO, this is the order used for plant to plant transfer. Transfer order, instruct internal warehouse stock movement. These terms form foundation of warehouse management understanding. Knowing them will help you navigate system process effectively. Okay, summary checklist for topic number 9. Difference between inventory management and warehouse management explained. Reason the company use extended warehouse management discussed. 4 steps of stock transfer order clearly outlined. A transfer order will confirm completes physical warehouse movement. Checklist reinforce the key learning points from topic number 9 and help you to recall the important concept during your revision. Okay, moving on to topic number 10 with the project system PS. Okay, so the project system support a large scale complex organizational task. It integrates the finance, the logistic, the human resource module, and the objective will include the planning, budgeting, and project execution. The project system ensure the project meet time and cost goals. So integration will help the organization manage resource more effectively. Okay, so the project system used for large scale complex organizational tasks. The project have defined start and end specific goal. System integrates with almost all ERP models. Focus strongly on scheduling time and managing costs, and provide tools for planning and monitoring project progress. Describing project system step. Okay, so first step is structure, defining project components clearly. Second step is planning dates, costs, and resources. Third step is budgeting, assigning authorized financial funds. Step number 4 is execution, tracking actual work and cost. So each step builds a foundation for successful project management. Planning will ensure resource and timelines are realistic. The work breakdown structure, WBS. So WBS is hierarchical model of project tasks performed. Splits project into manageable WBS element for control. Each element acts as cost collector for expenses. Element can be assigned to different responsible departments. EBS provides clear visibility of project scope and cost and help the manager to track the progress across multiple project level. Network and activities. Network represent flow of sequence of project tasks. Activities are specific tasks within project network. Activities have duration and resource requirements assigned. Links define relationship and critical path dependency. Network provides structure for scheduling project activities. Activities will ensure tasks are completed within planned timelines. Internal versus external activities. So internal activities performed by company employee directly. External activities performed by outside contractor hired. Service activities involve purchasing specialized external services. Cost activities plan a lump sum expenses for project. Internal activities link with Human Capital Management System (HCMS). External activities link with the material management process, the MM process. Activities will ensure resource allocated correctly across the project. Next up, we have the creating project structure. So first, create the project definition acting as a project header. Build up the WS hierarchy with multiple level defined. And then assign network to relevant WBS element accordingly. Assign milestone to track the key project achievement. Structure provide framework for managing project effectively. Milestone highlight important progress during points during execution. Planning and project with the dates. So basic dates represent desired start and finish time. Schedule dates calculated by system forward or backward. Float. This represents slack time before delay affect completion. Critical path squeezed by zero float available. Scheduling will ensure realistic timelines for project activities. Floats provide flexibility for non-critical project tasks. Planning a project with cost. Okay, so unit costing estimate expenses based on individual project item. Easy cost planning use template for quick project estimates. Activity-based costing calculates cost from labor hour work. Planning is internal and can be revised multiple times. Cost planning ensure realistic financial expectation for project and help the managers to allocate fund across different project activities. Planning a project with resources. Okay, so assign the work center to activities for resource allocation. Check capacity to ensure workers are not overbooked. Integration pulls activity price from controlling module. Generate purchase requisition for external required material. Resource planning balance workload across project activities will ensure availability of manpower, machine and material. Next up, budgeting in a project. So budgeting set approved financial limit for project spending. Difference from planning because budget is authorized fund. Manage through original budget and budget updates. Availability across control check spending against approved budget. Budgeting ensure financial discipline throughout project cycle and prevent overspending beyond authorized financial limits. Budget release. Okay, so total budget may not be available at all at once. So budget can be released in portion like quarterly allocation. So posting check against release amount, not total budget. Prevent spending entire multi-year budget in 1 month. Release process ensure control spending across project timeline. Provide flexibility for long-term project with past funding. Material integration in project system. So the project can serve stock directly from warehouse inventory. Project can trigger purchase order for specific material. Project stock managed separately from general company stock. Cost hit the WBS work break structure element upon goods issues posting. Material integration will ensure resource available when required. Support a smooth execution of project tasks and milestone. Project system integration with finance. Okay, so WBS element, the work break structure elements link directly to general ledger account. Down payment for vendor tracked against specific project. Revenues posted to WBS element when applicable. Final statement settlement move project cost to asset or the general ledger, the GL account. Integration will ensure accurate financial reporting for project, provide transparency for auditors and financial manager. Okay, project system integration with controlling the CO. So project system provide detailed cost object reporting, labor hour from the HCM, that HCM debited directly to the project. Overhead rates apply to WS element automatically. Variance analysis compare plan versus actual project cost. Integration will ensure accurate controlling and cost management, provide the manager visibility into project finance performance. Okay, next up we have the project builder. Okay, so the project builder is the center one-stop shop for project manager and allow drag and drop editing for project structure easily. Provide direct access to planning dates and budgets. Offer visual overview of entire project tree structure. And simplify management of complex project with multiple tasks. Improve efficiency by centralizing project management functions. Okay, next we have the milestone and billing. So milestone trigger events like billing to customer account. A milestone billing common in engineering and construction project. Milestone can trigger release of next project phase, provide high-level progress reporting for executive, ensure customer bill accordingly to project achievement, and strengthen the financial control during project execution stages. Reporting in project system. Hierarchy reports show cost sum as each WBS level. Progress analysis use earned value management technique. Schedule reports include Gantt chart and network graphic. Budget reports monitor committed versus actual project fund. Reporting provide visibility into project performance metric, help manager identify issue early and take action. Support transparency for stakeholder and executive monitoring. Okay, so the WBS element act as bucket for cost and task. Network represent flow and timing of project activities. Availability control is system policy for project budget. Critical paths include tasks that cannot be delayed. These terms form foundation of project system understanding. Knowing them will help you to navigate the ERP project management process. Okay, summary checklist for topic number 10. The difference between WBS then and the network need to be explained clearly. Budgeting difference from basic planning because budget authorized fund. Project labor costs come from human capital management, the HCM. Delay in critical path activity will delay the entire project. Checklist reinforce key learning points from topic number 10 and help you to recall important concept during revision and provide a smooth closure for project system learning module. Okay, so that's the end of the slides for topic number 10. So we have covered topic number 9 and 10 for this session. We will continue for the next topic number 11 and 12. Okay, thank you.